Hey everyone, Technically Jeff here, and I have another EV charger review for you today. This is the Lectron portable EV charger that lets you plug into either 120 volt or 240 volt outlets, which can be really convenient if you're away from home. We'll get it unboxed and take a look at everything up close, and then get it set up and check the charging speeds we get. So let's go. So we'll go ahead and get it out of the box here. It comes in this carrying case, which is fairly compact, which is nice. There's an informational card. Then we have the manual itself with details showing what's included, how to use it, that sort of thing. Then we have the connectors. So this is the 120 volt connector. Then we have the rest of the cabling. This is the 240 volt connector. And it is wrapped nice and tight. There we go. It's a NEMA 1450 plug, which is one of the more common ones. And these connectors will fit into the main charging controller. You can see they have the same part that plugs into it here. So let's get the rest unpackaged. We have the J1772 connector wrapped up here. It feels like a good quality unit. It has the dust cover, which is nice. The latch mechanism feels like it works fine. The cables here are 6 millimeters, which is common in the 32 amp chargers. Then we have the controller. Here in the top you can see where the 120 volt and 240 volt adapters plug right in. And on the back is information about the charger and its specs along with what the indicator lights mean. I'll go ahead and plug in the 240 volt adapter here and see how that works. You just press it together. It does fit nice and tight. And you do have to pull pretty good to get it out. It will hang from it though, so I'm not sure how much I like that, but it is easy to use. And here are the cables up close for those of you that want to take a look. There's also a QR code for more information on the J1772 connector, which is nice. One on the cable here too. But yeah, that's everything. Let's go test it out. Alright, it's connected here. Plugged into my NEMA 1450 outlet. Connected well. The fact it hangs doesn't appear to be an issue, but you do want to make sure that the cable isn't pulled tight when you do use it. The cable itself is 21 feet and plenty long. Here's the cable up close in better lighting so you can see the specs on it. The connector looks good. Now let's test out the charging speeds. Seems like a good solid fit with the J1772 connector. And we're getting 7.4 kilowatts, which is right about what I'd expect to see from 32 amps at 240 volts. Definitely solid speeds from a portable charger. And yeah, it's looking pretty good and seems to be working well. Now originally I wasn't going to be testing the 120 volt speeds because it shows 16 amps on the box and in the manual, and I don't actually have a 20 amp 120 volt outlet in my house to use. But when I was putting this video together, I checked their site and it shows 12 amps in the description, not 16 amps. So let's check that out. You can see I have it plugged in here to a normal 120 volt outlet. And the car is getting 1.3 kilowatts, which is right for 12 amps. So it's not really 16 amps for 120 volts. It is 12 amps, which is good. That means you can plug it into a normal NEMA 515 outlet that is rated for 15 amps. I sent them feedback so they can make sure their documentation and all the packaging matches there. Now, there's no way to adjust the amperage on this, so you're either at the 12 amps for 120 volts, or you're at the 32 amps for 240 volts. And 32 amps is plenty fast for most vehicles, especially for a portable charger. On a vehicle like my EV6, that would fully charge it in around 10 hours and gives me around 25 miles of range per hour. But yeah, overall not bad. I will say it is not UL or ETL certified, which isn't ideal. For EV chargers, that's something I really like to see for electrical safety. As for pricing, while it's not bad and it's not high, it's definitely not the least expensive charger I've tested. You can get it on their website, ev-lectron.com, or on Amazon. I got a promo code for both for you guys, and I'll post links to both in the description. On their website, it's currently $332, and if you use promo code TechJeff, it saves you 7%, which brings it down $23. On Amazon, it's currently $350, and promo code TechJeff7 saves you 7% off of that, saving you $24.50. So it's up to you if you want to purchase it on Amazon or on their website. Personally, I'd probably get it from Amazon since it's so quick and easy. But yeah, you do get a solid charging rate, and with it being portable and compatible with 120 volts and 240 volts, it is convenient. So anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions on this. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. I have a lot on the way. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you soon.